Good day, my name is Amos of 10KB Forex, and today is the 1st of the 2nd, 2024. It's another video on my favorite setup, which I've been showing you guys in my various videos. Here it is, let's dive into it. Yep, so we're looking at a pound dollar. Pound dollar, as usual, 4 hours on the top left corner, and the 15-minute is the one that usually be on the right-hand corner. So what are we looking at here? I will just expand it straight away on the 14-minute, on the 4-hour time frame, so that it looks more robust. So this is what I showed you yesterday in one of my videos. I think the video I made yesterday on the same pound dollar, which I expressed to you or explained to you about this guy has been in this range for a long time now. He's been here for a very long time, over 7 weeks, and he's still there. And today, the 1st of the 2nd, 2024, I think he's trying to go up. As you can see, that's enough 4 hours there. Let me make it a little bit bigger. That's a 4 hours time frame. That's a 4 hours. Can you see that momentum? Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at this candle. Today, the market do what it does best. Look at that momentum. That's over 100 pips. Momentum, very massive, very, very big. So the market is still in this range, as I showed you in one of the videos yesterday. But what do we see there? What do we see there? I'll make it a little bit bigger again. What do we see there? We see the same pattern we're talking about. The pattern we're talking about. That level I showed you yesterday in one of the videos, the trade that I took. You can see that level is still there. The level is still holding. That level is still holding. Again, what happened today again? The market touched that line again. If you see this red candle, and look at this green candle again. See, this is one I showed you yesterday. And look at it again, the same pin bar. Respect this line, guys. Respect this line. The market came down as if it's going down. You have to be patient for this, because if you say, oh, the market is going down, and you jump into the market, saying you want to join, sell, you see what happened? The market pretended as if it's going down here. It took everyone out, and the market came back, closed above this line again. The market closed above this line again, and what happened? Bang, the market shoot up. And what happened on 15-minute? Let's go to 15-minute, and you see we'll look for our entry. We look for entry formation. We look for entry on 15-minute. Don't forget, this line is always from the 4 hours. This line is from 4 hours, as you see. So what is happening here? So it gives you double bottom here, but we're not trading on that. I will show you something. Let me quickly show you something. I go back to 4 hours, because this is the one, this is the area that we are looking at, this one here, right? This is the one we are looking at, this green or this red. So I go back to 15-minute, right? So we're looking at that area back to 15-minute. Even though here, you can see it gave you double bottom, right? And maybe it's a failure, but market went back on that green, because this is the red line, the vertical line I put from there. This is the green side, that green that close above the line. And what do we see here? The market shoot back. That is a double, this is a double bottom again. This is a double bottom. You can prove me wrong. I will show you. I will prove it to you. This is another bottom, this one here, right? And this is another one here. Why? Because this guy come down, that's what they call red track. It came down as red, and it went back as green again. I'll show it to you. We have this one here, and this guy, this red one, went all the way down, and this green took it back. So it become another pin bar here. So that is another pin bar there, right? So double bottom, and here we go. The market move upward, right? So let's say at least you took this one, maybe you lost. Another one is here. So I wasn't really in the market during this time, so maybe I wouldn't have taken it, or I would have taken it, I don't know. But let's assume you took this one, you lost, Another one is here, opportunity again. And here we go, right? So that's what I say, oh, let me share with you guys and see that if you know how to monitor and find this kind of pattern and monitor it and be patient, you will be profitable. You will understand what to do time to time, because you'll be able to spot a good trade and you'll be able to go into good trade. That's what matters here. That's what we're teaching ourselves here. And then, as I say again, that's it. I just showed to you because I took one. I recorded one video earlier in this afternoon on euro dollar, which I took. And this is another one again. It's forming. Just look for this again and again. There's another pattern I will show you when it starts to form. I will show you another one similar to this. I will show you when that one's fun. I'll make videos when I start to see the formation similar to this. I will show you when time comes. So as I say again, please share this video if it makes sense to you, and then to use it to support me, for me to know that people are watching and encourage me more to do more. Thanks for watching. Bye.